Yo, 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 happy Monday. It is the day of the long grandpa. Everyone agree?
Skibbity Sigma or whatever you whippersnappers say nowadays. Ow. Ow. Ow.
It's perfect. It's absolutely perfect. It's so
Ball in a
perfect.
cup was my first love before I met Grandma.
It's so perfect.
Thai Fitness Grandpasser Test is a multi-stage aerobic capacity test.
More! More! I need more! This is peak, dude. This is my dream TTS system, and we're gonna make it even dreamier today.
Back in... Ow. Ow. Ow.
This is my dream TTS system.
Why did you wink at us? Shin, some of us are married or in relationships. Be respectful.
Dude! It's so good!
The mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell.
Goodbye. I wonder if we just should have like a violent day where they always...
Now, nerd, no need to lie.
We should have a day where all the TTS activities violence.
Of a yellow 2003 Pontiac Aztec, you appear to be parked on a Joel of incredible size. I'm not sure what a Joel is doing in the parking lot of a Wendy's in rural Ohio, nor how you managed to park on it without noticing, but please move your vehicle.
Farewell.
What does this do?
Back in my day, we walked to school uphill both ways.
I'm so happy I have the gravity gun. I'm so happy we have the gravity gun. I was live for 20 seconds earlier because I was fiddling with like a video setting and I had to turn it off. Anyway, that's so fucking cool, man. I love that. I love that we took the time to make this. Is the voice randomly selected?
Please
No.
add the Azure voices. I need them.
So, you can...
I'm tired of this, Grandpa.
You can use the voices that I typed out in chat, and then you can use channel points, or I can actually select which message I want to turn into TTS
Don't do it,
on my
please.
end.
Don't do it.
Golden Kappa! Wait, Tiznacious, where'd you get the Golden Kappa? Whose stream was that on today?
Back in my days, we survived a spelling bee. We spelled the longest word. Pneumo, H, I got shot. Ha 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 ha.
Everyone's blowing their TTS in the first 15 minutes. Do they know? Okay, let me explain the TTS system really quick. So everyone gets free 3 TTS through channel points.
I cast Scrongle.
Or 50 bits after that.
I'm using my jeans for this stream.
Get in now, because the price will probably increase.
A bit too violent, don't you think? Stabby Matt even said the gore affected them after stabbing me.
And at the end of each TTS, an exit animation is randomly chosen. And so we've just been making...
When you choose the TTS option, it doesn't actually list all the characters like Rupert, isn't there? That's why a couple of them are picked the most.
Oh wait, Rupert is in here? Rupert's in there. Available characters? I think that's everybody. I think it's totally fair. It gets reset. I totally, completely, really didn't know at all and want more TTS redeems. Bruh.
Nope, no, Rupert.
Oh, the channel redeems subscription. Okay. Let me fix that. Yeah, I've been trying, you know, honestly, I think the best way I want to...
Not listed as an option, even if I am an option. You should specify all of the possible characters to choose from.
I wish you got hit by a truck, Rupert.
Hey, boss, what's on today's agenda?
I mean, I would talk about it if I could just say something. Hold on, it's in the pinned one, so I'm going to copy everybody in the pinned one into here. Okay, saved, done. Okay, there's another thing I found in... You know what? I'm going to try this out. There is a feature in SpeakerBot called VoiceGate where it pauses the TTS as long as I'm talking. I'm going to try that. Okay, so it's paused now, and if I turn on, if I try to enable TTS, it's not... Oh my god, it doesn't talk! It waits for me to stop talking! That's awesome! Dude, you're my prisoner! You're my prisoner until I stop talking! I can keep you here forever! You're gonna die here! You're gonna die of old age! I just have to keep talking, and you'll never speak again! I can hold you prisoner forever! It's the filibuster! Oh, that's so unfortunate.
You have the power to pause TTS, but you're not because you enjoy watching the people suffer too much.
Gah! I'm going to eat your hamster. Ow! Ow! Ow!
Okay, there is a problem. Yeah, I think there's a problem because the TTS times out after 30 seconds.
My grandson asked me what 32 plus 35 was, but I'm not good at math.
Yeah, it times out after 30 seconds.
Filibustering us. Oh! Oh!
This is the most expensive exit animation.
Sean, you now need to refund that one guy's redeem for talking over him. Ow! Ow! Ow!
Can we do a stream where the TTTS pauses you instead?
No.
Sir, this is the Grand People Police License and Registration.
Shin, please add the old Azure voices back. They're called Christopher, Hannah, and Ava.
Do you think we should do that today, chat?
Shoo-la-la-la-la. Shwa-la-la, fwa-la-la.
I don't know. The piano says no. The piano says no.
I just used up all of my channel point redeems. Now I have to spend money to speak. Curse you 50-cent TTS messages, may misfortune and disappointingly cold soup haunt you.
Get destroyed. Get absolutely
Should I add
destroyed.
salmon or tuna sashimi to my order.
I like the old voices too. I'm just procrastinating on adding them. I'm just procrastinating. And the thing is...
Been watching you since the before earwax stream, Shin.
We gotta get through all the TTS first before we start today's.
Has testicular torsion.
Chat would fail the marshmallow test. They absolutely would.
I'm recovering from a cold. Please wish me well.
I think you got more than a cold to recover from.
Hello.
Oh, we've never seen this before! A golden bush animation. That's awesome. Wait a second, that looks awesome. You should reset the TTS counter after...
I got a book that tells me when I die. Time to see what it says. 5? Why does it say 5? Now 4, 3, 2... Wait, why is it counting down? 1?
Oh my god! Perfect message!
I just want to feel the sweet release of death.
Oh, you got it! Bodega Rat, you got it!
I hope a piano doesn't fall on me. Ow!
Oh my god!
Ow! Ow! Hello, is this thing on? This is my first stream. I can't wait to enjoy the whole thing. I remember when Shindigs broke the fourth wall to talk me down.
I can't believe you talked me into the bush one. It's so long. It's so long.
Sir, I still need that license and registration, or you will be detained for rejection of officer.
Farewell.
I love living. I hope nothing horrible happens.
Oh no.
When you're filming 2 shins, 1 dig.
We've never seen a golden balloon!
I'm gonna eat an entire bag of concrete with chopsticks. Wish me luck.
Okay.
Why does it no yes, but yes, no? Or the oven out, the hot cold, eat the cold food. Wait, what was I talking about again?
Bye, Grandpa.
This is the closest to a gecko, but deep breath. 15 minutes could save you 15% or more on car insurance.
I hope a piano hits you.
Move!
Good enough.
Ow! Ow!
We would not actually fail the marshmallow test. The marshmallow test is a test where you either choose 1 marshmallow now, or many marshmallows later. In the context of this stream, we choose between 3 free TTS messages and 3 TTS messages, plus extra paid TTS messages. Using up all of my TTS messages early does not in fact give me fewer messages, unlike the marshmallow test, where you get fewer marshmallows for not waiting.
Perfect send off.
Funny, Shin. You try getting crushed by a piano. Ow! 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 Good use of channel points.
I'm proud with how he ragdolls.
The kill count on this stream is getting kinda high, isn't it?
6, 7.
Boo!
Can I get a double quarter pounder with cheese, no ketchup, no mustard, no pickles, with Diet Coke with extra ice, and also 2 chocolate chip cookies, a chocolate shake, a mini Oreo, McFlurry with M&Ms added, an extra Diet Coke, and a 20-piece McNugget?
No. Absolutely not. Bye.
I sure do hope nothing bad happens to me.
Why two bushes in a row? Why 2 bushes in a row, man? Dear God.
Shin, I've missed the past few streams. What's the vibe?
Death.
Wait, I am not ready.
No, we need an ambulance, not a
Oh,
cane.
great Shin gods, I await your divine judgment.
You have been judged!
Hey, Chad, I'm old. I wonder what will kill me. I am fond of pianos.
Oh man, I can use to advertise my Oshi.
No. No free sponsorships.
He'll show you long, Grandpa.
Grandpa, no! Okay. Guys, I gotta turn off the channel points because otherwise we are not getting to Long Grandpa. And I started the stream late. I could have started the stream earlier, but I wanted to chill. This is... I promise you Long Grandpa is gonna be worth it, okay? Long Grandpa is gonna be worth it. So here, let me illustrate what Long Grandpa is going to be.
55 burgers, 55
Oh
fries,
my
55
fucking
tacos,
God.
55 pies, 55 cokes, 100 tater tots, 100 pizzas, 100 tenders, 100 meatballs, 100 coffees, 55 wings, 55 shakes, 55 pancakes, 55 pastas, 55 pastas.
Why did you do that?
Potatoes.
That's how I feel. I can emotionally challenge which exit criteria you get. I can emotionally channel which exit you get. It was Long Grandpa. Okay, let me tell you about Long Grandpa. All right, this is my TTS concept for Long Grandpa.
They're doing a thing.
Rupert! Okay. Guys, let me explain the idea I have for Long Grandpa. This is the idea for Long Grandpa, okay? So, you know... All right, let me use Handblast as an example. All right, this is how the TTS works right now.
Shin, please. I'm as long as I want to be. Don't make me long. Ow. Ow. Ow.
I need to use you as an example. Okay. So, TTS shows up. They say something.
Actually,
oh my God.
You didn't turn off the TTS. As long as we keep giving you money, we can stall you more.
The incentives are perverse. The incentives are perverse. Okay, example. I'm bringing the example back. Okay, so the TTS shows up, right? They say something, but while they're saying something, they're not moving, correct? Like, when they say their TTS, they have to like stand in place and say what they have to say, and then we animate them. So the next question is, could we create a TTS that is being animated while talking? Which is pretty easy, actually. Like, I could have them move across the screen while they're talking random stuff. While they're talking about random stuff, right? I could have them move across the screen while the TTS is playing. However, that produces a new problem, which is how long should they be moving across the screen, right? Probably for the length of the TTS, which means we have to like kind of guess.
We can do this all day, Shin.
Oh my God. My example went to heaven. Okay, where was I? Where was I? My example.
Oh boy, I hope nothing bad happens to me on my birthday. I'm getting so old.
No. Guys, I need to explain today's thing. I need to explain today's plan. I need to explain today's plan. Okay. So, I could be like, I could guess the length of the
Hey,
TTS.
Shin, we're running out of test subjects. What should we do?
Farewell.
It would be nice to have a couple more female voices, but overall, you've done an amazing job with these.
Misogynist truck. Misogynist truck. Okay.
I gave you money. Use me as an example, not that other guy.
New Serum Bot update fixed the bug where the forehead cheer wasn't removed from messages in the stripped arguments. Let's go! I did see that update, and then I clicked it so fast that they didn't even have the patch notes up. Thank you for that update, MX Puffin. Okay, so I could guess, continue picking up where I left off. I could say like, hey, every one of these animations where they move across the screen, or they're animated, lasts 10 seconds, right? Or I could kind of like try to calculate how long the message is going to be depending on like the character length of the message, which is kind of hard because each TTS engine like renders how fast the voice reads the message differently, and it renders it differently like every single time, right? However, there is good news. There is actually a clearer solution to this problem. StreamerBot lets me create a TTS audio file, like an MP3 file. Actually, no, that's not how it works. That's actually how it works. The solution is... wait, how should I explain this? It's actually kind of freaking weird. Hold on. It's like really kind of stupid and nerdy in a way. Okay, let me back up. Okay. Let me back up. Because the solution is cool, but it's, you kind of have to be a StreamerBot head to understand it. But the technology of Long Grandpa, has been discovered. Okay. So if I go into my TTS, is it J? Where's my, I had a test version. Okay, I'll go into StreamerBot. I'll make a new action. I'm gonna call it test long. Okay. I'll make a new action, new test action, and then I'm going to add a new sub action, which is speak. Okay. So in the speak action, there's this little toggle that says silent and a little toggle that says delay. So what I have right now is I have it on delay, and then the message will, let's say, according to all laws of aviation, etc., it will read the text-to-speech message before moving on to the next steps in StreamerBot. That's what this delay does. What delay also does is it gets back the length of the text-to-speech in milliseconds. So when you enable SpeakerBot to create a TTS audio file, it gets the delay, it gives you a variable that lets you know how long the TTS is actually going to play. Now the problem is if I wanted to trigger an animation along with text-to-speech, that can't work because the text-to-speech always has to finish playing before the animation happens. The text-to-speech always has to finish before the animation happens, right? However, this button right here, silent, is key. This button, silent, is like the key to everything. All right. So what it does? Oh, whoa. Okay, I need these to go to here. Oh my god. I accidentally like kept this enabled throughout the entire starting soon screen.
We live.
Okay, that's cool. Anyway, so it will generate a TTS audio file that I just have to manually play, but because I can manually play it, I can also set a manual delay for the button, and because I can do that, I can trigger multiple sub-actions concurrently before it plays, so I can animate it for the exact length of the TTS message. So what does this have to do with Long Grandpa? Well, if I can write a script where if the message is long enough, Grandpa will walk slowly across the screen saying his entire message until he leaves. Will Grandpa's neck get longer? I could also make a version where Grandpa's neck gets longer. I can do that. I could do one where it slowly zooms in on Grandpa for the length of the TTS. Trying to think of the intended use case. It's supposed to be monitoring. What do you mean? So delay makes sense because, yeah, delay makes sense because delay, you want to enable delay because it automatically like holds the button in place. Like it pauses the button in place until the TTS is finished. Silent is, it lets you generate the audio file without playing it, which, like, yeah, I don't know why, I guess for flexibility, but hey, it's great for me. Because I was reading about this sub action, I'm like, oh, they have the silent thing, I'm like, what does it do? And it says, you can just like auto-generate the TTS. Sorry, you can generate the TTS as an audio file, but once that is done, it goes on with the sub action. So you can generate the audio TTS file without having to play it and do all your other actions. Now, why would you want to do that? Let's say you put in like the first 4 sentences of the B movie script, which I may or may not have done. Now, the first 4 sentences of the B movie script may be 40 seconds to read in total. I don't know, maybe, how would I know that? I'm not sure. But let's say hypothetically, it is 40 seconds to read in total. Instead of waiting the entire 40 seconds for it to like read out everything before you can do the animation, it can generate that file, I think, in about like 2 to 3 seconds, which is like a reasonable amount of time to pause the button. And then once it generates, it doesn't read out everything until everything starts animating and then it reads it out, right? I think I'm getting to the point where just showing you is going to make a lot more sense than me explaining. But I just got excited that I discovered this over the weekend, and we can finally have the Grandpa animation where they move slowly across the screen saying what they want to say and then leaving. Can I detect breaks? No, but I could also, like, if I wanted to be really evil, I could break up the message normally. Like, I could break up the message in C# or something. So there's actually like 3 ideas I want to do with this, technically. There are kind of 3 ideas I want to do with this. One is Grandpa moving slowly across the screen. The other is zooming in slowly. And the third is they're like hanging from the ceiling like from rope and then just like moving back and forth. Oh, sentence hit, sentence hit, sentence hit, sentence exit. Ah, I see. Yeah, we could, that is possible. Okay, so we're gonna do that. Let's create Long Grandpa. How are we going to do this? Oh wait, I do. Okay, so let's do a speak action. Let's make a test version first. Let's start making our test. Actually, TTS.
Have Grandpa read half of it walking one way and then half the other.
Perhaps. Let me think about this real quick. What am I naming this action? Okay, let's say TTS concurrent animation. Concurrent and talk. Okay. Oh wait, streamerbot car. All right, so those are grouped together. Speak. Voice alias, I'm just gonna say test, because I think test is grandpa. Actually, I'll just do grandpa. Silent message, or silent delay. And B movie script. Oh, whoops. It's taking a long time to
According
generate.
to all known laws of aviation, there is no way a bee should be able to fly. Its wings are too small to get its fat little body off the ground. The bee, of course, flies anyway because bees don't care what humans think is impossible. Yellow, black, yellow, black, yellow, black, yellow, black.
Okay, and I think that, yeah, that generated a TTS file here. I just realized if I have this checked off, it's going to generate a TTS file for everybody, and I don't want that. Oh, okay, here's all my old stuff. All right, this is the stuff I did over the weekend. Okay, I need to do this. TTS audio file path. Change this to your folder. Oh, shit. Okay, so the problem here... is I need to delete the file in the folder. However, I need to actually need to copy this into here. So it deletes the file. Okay, so this needs to handle deleting the file in the normal TTS, which I did. So now, can I edit the name of this thing? The execute code? I would love to edit the name of this thing. Yeah, I can't. In settings? Oh, execute code, compile and load. Oh, middle bottom edit code. Oh, I see. Okay, name, delete TTS file. Okay, so let's make sure that this works on the normal TTS.
Tunberry peepo that stabs shin at the end.
Okay, I had to enable the file creation, which I didn't.
Sometimes I think I could still hear his voice.
Okay, cool. So that deletes the file. You saw that. It created the file, then deleted the file. All right. So here, I want to do the same thing. So I'm going to copy these actions. So what this does is this just plays. This one just plays the file that's already generated. And I didn't know this, but when you create a, or sorry, when you do a speak action, when you do a speak sub action in StreamerBot, it actually creates a argument, or it creates a variable called speech file, which you can just reference. So what this is saying is just create the file. You know, checking delay says, tell me how long the file is going to be. I'm going to play the file here, which is %speech file, which is crazy. It just gives you the file name. That's awesome. That makes my life so much easier. This one says show toast notification duration. Okay, I don't want that. I want... And then I want to add a delay for the duration of the time it's speaking. Right? So it's actually skipping this... It's skipping past this first part, playing the second part, and then pausing for how long pausing for how long the file is for. And then I'm gonna add a test toast notification to only show up. I'm setting this notification to only show up if it properly pauses and resumes. So let's try this. This should just be the B movie script. I wonder how else I can do this. Volume, finish playing. Okay, finish playing before continuing. No, 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 I don't want that. I don't want that. I want that here. Okay, it's
According to all known laws of aviation, there is no way a bee should be able to fly. Its wings are too small to get its fat little body off the ground. The bee, of course, flies anyway because bees don't care what humans think is impossible. Yellow, black, yellow, black, yellow, black, yellow, black.
All right, and there's the notification. Well, I'm blocking it. Shit. There it is. There it is. Okay, so that should have shown up after they finished the first like 4 lines of the B movie script. It showed up. The file is not deleted. And I need to paste this code in here to just delete the file. Right, so let's just make sure that all works. And I'm gonna do a shorter thing because we know that. I'm gonna do a shorter message because we know it all works.
According to all known laws of aviation, there is no way a bee should be able to fly.
All right, and let's check the folder, and there's no file. Perfect. It's working. Okay, so here comes the hard part, which is doing it raw. OBS raw. I need to set this raw, hold on, variable prefix OBS raw. I need to add an OBS raw subaction so I can pass in the duration of milliseconds to the animation in OBS, because the animation, the move source in OBS is going to handle how long the animation is going to last and moving the character around the screen. Okay, so let's see here. Okay, I'm going to make it really simple. I'm just going to move them left to right for now. So let's go move source, rename, TTS Atom, move across screen, walk across screen. Okay, StreamerBot composite. Oh, walk across screen set. So I set them to the edge. Then walk across screen like 2. I'm going to make them walk all the way across the screen. And start. No easing. Custom duration check, 300 milliseconds. Okay. So I want to edit this custom duration parameter, which with OBS, with StreamerBot, I actually don't know how to do that. All right, so there they are zipping across the screen. But I want them to zip across the screen like for the length of the message. Okay, so I'm gonna go to OBS raw, set input settings. I know it's set input settings. I know it's set input settings. Oh wait, it's connected. Hold on. Hold up. Input name. Wait a second. Hold the fort. This is not organized in any way that's useful to me. Holy. No. Set filter settings. Set filter. Wait, set filter settings? Set filter name. Oh, set source filter settings. There we go. Okay, value. We are, it's like, they need a search function for this, man. Because it's sickos like me who are using this tool with like 9 million things up. I have 9 million sources. I'm the sicko who's using this tool. I need a search. I need a search function. A normal person is not using obs-raw.streamerbot. Only sickos are using this. How the freak do I find it? Control F? Can I? No, it's not like letting me do that. See if I go here. It must be in the order that I've created this stuff. Can I click in the value box and stop typing? No, it's not working. What's this called? StreamerBot TTS scene. Okay, so StreamerBot. I think it's the order in which I've created these assets. Yeah, because I did something with the caroling earlier for the thumbnail. What's up, Feature Skeleton Club?
I heard that the human eye's pretty good at searching for things. Maybe invest in a pair?
Wish you got hit by a truck. Oh, this is my line in OBS. I'm using my mine at OBS Raw. Set source filter. Whoa, wait, StreamerBot TTS. Wait, what if I... Wait a sec, what if I typed it here? StreamerBot? No, I can't. I can't edit the requests! Oh my god. This is actually insane that I have to do this. Okay, I'm just gonna look. I'm just gonna search. Okay, all the Christmas Carol stuff, which I did after. No. That's all the Christmas Carol stuff now. No, wait a second. Filter. It's scene filters. Set source filter setting. Wait, set scene filter. No. Source. It should be. No, never mind. Scenes are sources. Or whatever is in the default parameter. And create a new. Okay. String parameter with the same name. Oh, I see. Okay. Oh, I see what you mean. Okay. Source name. And then let's search StreamerBot. StreamerBot TTS scene. Okay, so I want this. I want to remove param1. I just delete. Oh, wait. If I delete all of this. No, never mind. param 1 got overwritten. Okay, hold on. Source name. Oh, okay. I see. Okay. Streamer bot TTS scene. Thank you. All right. Filter name. Okay, now I need this to be the drop down. Now I need param 2 to be the drop down because I don't know what these parameter names are. I mean, I could check with Sammy. Like the thing here is like I could use this tool or I can check with Sammy. Look, I'm just going to check with Sammy. Look at this. This is taking too long. This is taking too long. Okay, open Sammy. I think I did this before. Yes, look. Take, I use source change settings. Hook this up to my OBS instance. Go to streamer bot TTS, TTS scene. Check settings. Wait, source change settings. Oh, these are source change settings. Shit. Okay, sorry. Filter change settings. Streamerbot TTS scene. Filter name. This is why Sammy is still goated in some ways, because the search feature is awesome. It's freaking awesome. Okay, walk across screen start. There we go. Then I click check settings. And here are all the parameters I need. Okay, so position, rot sign, crop, source. Okay, I want... Huh. Is there not a way to set the custom time interval? I swear there was. Bounds? No, position, object, rotation. Crop, scale, source, easing match. It's probably in bounds? It's probably in... No. I swear I could have changed this before. Wait a second. This is not good. This is not good. The situation... If I can't set a custom duration... I do have the source copy plugin. Oh, that's a good idea. So if I export the scene, that's a really good idea. Export the scene and just read the JSON directly. Oh, you're so smart. That's so gross though. Okay, we're gonna save the scene. Wait, load filter, paste filter. Okay, save scene. I do have a folder for this. OBS scene exports. Okay. You can specifically copy the filter data. What the? Load filter, paste filter. Oh, from here. Oh, I see. Okay, I see. Oh, look at all these. These are all my folders. Okay. Walk across screen. Copy. Okay. Let's open up Sublime Text. Copy, paste. Let's fucking jack into the matrix. You see a bunch of numbers flying across your screen. Bunch of code moving across your screen. I see position rotation, custom duration, source name, redhead. View, what was it? Syntax. JSON. Okay. I did. Bro, no text wrap. No, keep the text wrap. Keep the text wrap. Do you have VS Code? That's insulting. That's insulting to me. Do I have VS Code? Let's see. I do, but I'm gonna raw dog this. Look, it's not even that. It's not that long. I could just read it. Okay. Name TTS. Okay, there we go. UUID, ID, move source, source version ID, move source. You could put Claude code on this shit, and they could probably figure it out. Move source settings, rotation. Okay, position. Oh wait, there we go. Duration 300. Custom duration true. Duration 300. Okay. Go back to this tool. Filter name. Filter settings. Duration 300. Okay, so we're gonna copy in this raw JSON format. We only have to do this once because like once we figure out how this version works, it's super smooth. We have the template. All right, filter name. MX Puffin clutch tip. Freaking clutch tip. Chud Clud code. I experimented with Claude Code a bit, and I said, look through my samples folders and give me 4 random kick drums. It took 15 minutes to do, and I'm like, this is fucking stupid. I'm like, I am not an actual web developer, so this is this is no use to me right now. Okay, filter settings, duration. Oh, I need to set the fucking... Okay. Oh, wait. Okay, do this. Claude Code is so annoying. It's like having the world's slowest internet next to you, and they still don't read the docs. Yeah, my experience is like, sometimes with these tools you need a lot of babysitting, and I'm just like, I'm gonna do it myself, actually. Why is this not... Oh. Okay, filter settings. Oh, wait, is filter settings an array? Is that an object? I wish I could just find the fucking source here. I'm gonna make a compilation of me looking for this and I'm going to put it in the SpeakerBot Discord. I'd be like, guys, please. Doing it raw is so hard. I'm actually gonna cry. MX Puffin, thank you. Okay, I knew it was something like... You know, thank you. I mean, I would have to have looked that up. I appreciate you putting that in chat. Okay, so it's an object. Duration. Your value. Percent, yeah, percent duration. Oh god, I hope that doesn't break it. Okay. StreamerBot, if you could see me pointing my fingers at the screen, amazing tool. That could be a little better. We could do a little better there. I know it's probably not like the most used thing, but it's important to me. It's important to me. Okay, duration is this long. Okay. My JSON's invalid. Let's go. At line 6. Unexpected character encounter while parsing value percent path. Hold on, next spot fit. Ads are about to hit, but that just also gave me a prompt to thank you for your insight. Okay. Percent request filter duration. 35. Why is it invalid? What am I missing? What am I missing? Duration isn't valid JSON, but I've done this before. And we need percent in a string? I don't know if that's gonna... Is that gonna work? Okay, well, we're gonna test it. So I'm gonna test it here.
According to all known laws of aviation, there is no way a bee should be able to fly.
Okay, I would gladly accept if if turning that into a string worked. If turning that like number into a string worked, but I'd be very surprised. Oh, it's right there! You see 5669. That's the custom value we passed in. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys, this is a huge breakthrough. This is a huge breakthrough. We're going to see we're going to witness the birth. We are witnessing the birth of Long Grandpa after this BRB screen, because I want everyone to be able to see it. He's dead, Jim. He's dead. Okay. We're back from the ad break. Let us see the birth of Long Grandpa. Future Skeleton Club, thank you for the 42 months. This grandpa's for you. Actually, let me think about this. I need to do a few more things. So filter, source filter, set source filter state. No, set scene filter state. Not connected. Wait, what the? Oh wait, scene filter state. Yeah, I did the Streamlabs one. Okay, scene filter state, streamerbot TTS. Okay, walk across screen set. Let me just make sure that one is instant, because I want to reset it to the edge of the screen. Yeah, it was 300, so let's just do 1. Let's add a delay just to be safe. Let's just say 10. Okay, then clone this, and then we set walk across screen start. Visible. Delay. Okay, we're gonna, and then, so it'll generate the file. Okay, it'll generate the file. Start playing the file. Wait, it'll generate the file. Actually, after it generates the file, I want it to change the parameter. Change the move custom duration parameter with OBS raw. Oh yeah, and then I want it to set the guy at the far left of the screen. Then start the animation. Start the animation first. Then play the set the animate. Wait, set him at the far left. Set him on the far left of the screen. Wait for like 10 milliseconds just to be safe. Initiate walking. Initiate the filter to start to have him start walking across the screen. Start playing the TTS, and while all that is happening, delay it for the length of the TTS. And when that's done, delete the file. And I'm actually going to add an extra like 300 milliseconds at the end. just to be safe. And actually, what if I added an extra 300 like beforehand? No. No. That's not gonna work. Okay. All right, let's try it.
According to all known laws of aviation, there is no way a bee should be able to fly.
Okay. That worked, but for some reason it wasn't Grandpa. So I need to go into here. I have my own raw. Okay, I need to change the raw thing to Grandpa. Because we're just testing it. Grandpa. Oh, fuck. No. StreamerBot. Okay, so the source name is StreamerBot Care Grandpa. Okay. And why was it? Oh no. Oh no.
According to all known laws of aviation, there is no way a bee should be able to fly.
Wait a second. Because of how my audio routing works, my audio is going to another channel called SpeakerBot, which is what the scale to sound and the image reaction animates on screen, so their mouth moves. But when I play the sound, it's going to my normal sound output, which is not animating the peepo. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. Does that mean I have to render this file twice? No. The ideal thing is it can play the speech file in something else. What's wavelength aux? That's virtual audio? But then I have to make it virtual. Oh, then I have to set it to virtual audio. Wait, then I have to set... Okay, hold on. This might be the play. Wavelength 1. Okay, can I output this in the settings? Okay, output. Oh my, so many outputs. Oh my god. Wavelength 1. Okay, wavelength aux 1. That's the virtual audio cable. Okay, let's test that. Let's see if I can even hear it. I don't think I can hear it. Yep, I can't hear it. So I need to add... Oh god, I don't think it's gonna be here. It has to be... Okay, hold on. Oh, I have to redo my audio routing to make this work. So audio input capture. No. Audio output capture. Wavelength 1 aux. Okay. Unfortunately, I gotta delete... This might break everything, but I have to do it. Delete SpeakerBot. Okay. I'm gonna rename this called SpeakerBot Wavelength Capture. There's gotta be a better way to route this shit. Okay. SpeakerBot Wavelength Capture. Is it in my audio? Oh yeah, right here. SpeakerBot Wavelength Capture. Monitor only. No, monitor and output. Advanced settings. Okay, I'll just remove these. 3. What's my TTS set on? Channel 5? Okay. You know, I shouldn't have deleted the other source. Oh my god. This is actually gonna be a nightmare. But let's test it. Oh, is there not a test button here?
According to all known laws of aviation, there is no way a bee should be able to fly.
Okay, okay. So now to animate him, I have to go through all my guys and change the audio source to what I just created. But now all the audio is routed correctly. And it should be... Okay, now all the... It should be... It is annoying, but it will open up more possibilities for the TTS. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, now go here. I basically am summing the audio from StreamerBot into a virtual audio cable and then routing it to OBS, where before OBS was just capturing SpeakerBot, which was fine. There's got to be a fucking faster way to do this. There has to be. I don't think there is. Is there an actual faster way to do this? Otherwise, if I change the audio routing again, I have to do this every single time. That is fucking crazy. Test 1 before fixing all. That's probably the right choice.
Before fixing all.
Okay, let's test it. Let's test this one.
According to all known laws of aviation, there is no way a bee should be able to fly.
Okay, that looks great. That looks great. I mean, he could be yapping a bit more. And also all the mampoos have to be changed. Properties. Oh, did I have to oh no. Oh no. That's fine. That's fine. This is relaxing. This is a small price to pay for fucking awesome content. Is there a way to make his audio pan as he goes across the screen? Mods, ban this guy? There is a way, actually. It's, I think it's easier in Sammy, to be honest, to do that. I think it is easier in Sammy to do that, but there is a way. I'm trying to think how I would do it in SpeakerBot. Because I would need to like constantly pull the location of where they are. Or I could just, yeah, I mean, I don't need to do that. I would just have to... is there like a way to transform? Like Sammy has some really nice ways to transform a setting over time to like basically animate it, and I don't know how to do that with SpeakerBot right now. I mean, I think a way to do it would be to have a separate button that adjusts the pan that's only activated when Long Grandpa's activated. C# and LARPing it, I suppose. Yeah, maybe. I probably definitely missed some characters. Okay, well, all the characters should be accounted for. Oh no, Rupert's TTS. Rupert. Okay. And let me turn down the sound because I think it's a little too loud.
According to all known laws of aviation, there is no way a bee should be able to fly.
Ooh, okay, okay.
According to all known laws of aviation, there's no way a bee should be able to fly.
Let's go.
According to all known laws of aviation, there is no way a bee should be able to fly.
Okay. Beautiful. Now, let's get crazy with it. Right now, they're just moving across the screen for the duration of the TTS. I want them to come onto the screen and exit with some padding. So they say everything like mostly in the middle, but then when they leave, it's kind of different. So I need to add a way to pad the entrance and exit. Can I do something like, okay, set variable. Oh, there. Can I do something like argument duration equals like duration plus like 100? Can I do something like that? I'm gonna say like 1,000 actually. Amex parser streamer bot. Okay, so is this in C#? Like what's going on here? What the heck? Anything where you can do a variable replacement, you can also execute inline functions. Okay, okay, $math. Oh, okay, this is possible. Okay, so maybe instead of this, duration. Let's say duration times 2. Let's just see if this works.
According to all known laws of aviation, there is no way a bee should be able to fly.
When it forgot $. There's a $sign right there. Yeah, that didn't work. Oh, $sign at the end. Okay, $2.
According to all known laws of aviation, there is no way a bee should be able to fly.
Okay. That's it. That's actually it.
According to all known laws of aviation, there's no way a bee should be able to fly.
That's actually not it. Okay, that's actually not it. What I want to do, they walk across the screen. So what if I want to delay how long they talk? Can I do division? Okay, I can do division. So let's say I want variable name to be Okay. Duration segment is a quarter, so divided by 4. All right. And then I also want to say duration equals duration plus duration segment plus duration segment. I could probably multiply it, but I'm going to keep it simple. Okay. That's the grossest thing I've ever written in my life. All right. So before it animates, delay for duration segment. So only when he's partially on the screen, like a quarter of the way on the screen, he will start talking. So it should move slower.
According to all known laws of aviation, there is no way a bee should be able to fly.
Let's see here. 1508. Duration is 9 seconds. Duration segment is 1508. Okay, so that makes sense. Oh shit. This needs to be up here. The animation has to start before the duration segment. Play sound, delay for... Oh. Okay. Oh shoot. Because that's gonna... Okay, this isn't actually working fully. Set argument duration. Let's say duration summed. Okay. And then in OBS raw, duration summed. And then delay plus duration segment $sign. $math $. Okay. Test. He didn't say anything. What? Duration segment. Okay, the speech file's there. Oh, hold on. There's like all these things that were added. Oh, okay, hold on. Something's not right. Something's amiss because we have all these files here. And my Windows Explorer is crashing. The fuck? Oh, never mind. We don't have the files there. I don't know. Why won't you speak? Okay, something's going wrong here because it's not fully deleting. Okay, it's not going to the end. Math duration segment, blah, 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 blah. That works. delay for duration segment. Okay. Okay, this is duration summed. Wait a second. Am I moving from Sammy to StreamerBot? No, I'm still using Sammy for some things, but I'm experimenting with the StreamerBot TTS system, which is very powerful. But with great power comes with even greater shitposts. Okay. Duration summed. Yes, so duration, okay, this seems to make sense. So duration sum, duration segment times 2. And it has a speech file, which is reading. Is it for some reason the speech file? Hold on.
According to all known laws of aviation, there is no way of...
Okay, so that's working. But it's not getting to... Hold on. Delay for this long. Is there a typo? I'm probably doing the math wrong in my head. Okay, so let's walk through it. So I'm dividing by 4. So argument equals... Yeah, I add a quarter to the front and the back. Okay. Then, when it animates, I'm like, wait for a quarter, wait for one of the segments, play the sound, then delay even longer. Maybe I need to just do like plus 100 at the end here, just to be a little safe. Thank you, Verified Chloe. Thank you. Okay. Okay, let's not do this. Let's not do this. Let's just go back to how it was before. I clearly broke something. I'm just gonna call this duration. Okay. I don't mind. We'll just disable that. Disable this. Disable this.
According to all known laws of aviation, there is no way a bee should be able to fly.
Okay.
According to all known laws of aviation, there is no way a bee should be able to fly.
Okay, so that's properly deleting everything. Wait, but it's not animating. Oh, because okay, this is wrong. So that's duration.
According to all known laws of aviation, there is no way a bee should be able to fly.
Okay, great. So now let's go break this down one by one. So turn this on. Let's test it.
According to all known laws of aviation, there is no way a bee should be able to fly.
Okay, test this now that that's on.
According to all known laws of aviation, there is no way a bee should be able to fly.
Okay, great. Now test this.
According to all known laws of aviation, there is no way a bee should be able to fly.
Okay, now he walks off slowly. Okay, so we're debugging it one more time by removing this. This is probably what breaks it for some reason. Yep. Okay, I don't know why this breaks it. So I probably need to say set argument. No. Why is it not just duration? Hold on. Duration segment. Why is it not just that? Okay, what if I set delay to 10?
According to all known laws of aviation, there is no way a bee should be able to fly.
Oh, wait, but duration segment has been reused a lot, so I can use duration segment down here. Did I misspell it? What the fuck? What the fuck? It's working here. Like, I can add these things together. Wait, set argument duration segment. Set argument duration segment, and I can use duration segment here. However, delay for duration segment. Okay, I'm just gonna just say 1000 and see how that works.
According to all known laws of aviation, there is no way a bee should be able to fly.
Wait a second. Okay, this is working. So it's delaying for...
According to all known laws of aviation,
4
there
seconds
is no way a bee should be able to fly.
before he leaves. Okay, the delay's 4 seconds before he starts talking, right? And so I want to... Do I just need to do the math operation again? Math, percent, duration, percent, divided by 4, $sign? But I should be able to use that because I defined it earlier. This is gonna work, watch. What the fuck? Oh, $sign, okay. I'm so confused. Like, okay, if I copy this here and say duration segment 2, and I call this duration segment 2. Okay.
According to all known laws of aviation, there is no way a bee should be able to fly.
What is with this delay? Okay, this delay is so weird. Okay, let's try math. Duration divided by 4, $sign. Because what I want it to happen is he's partially all like halfway up the screen, then starts talking. Like, what is it? What is it about this delay using a variable? Oh wait, oh fuck, duration is not okay. No percentage sign there. Speak! Maybe delay can't take it. No, delay can take an argument. Look, there's an argument here. Right? There's this works. Maybe it can't take a math argument? But then if it can't take a math argument, I have duration segment. Right? I have this. I have that argument.
According to all known laws of aviation, there is no way a bee should be able to fly.
Why did that work? Why did that work? No, that doesn't work. You know what? Okay, you know what I think it is? Q group TTS. So I make sure it's queued properly. Maybe it's not like properly queued and done. Oh. Yeah. Okay, so we delay for this. Yeah, because it starts walking. Okay, so I think we need to like bookend this here. Bruh. Why does Long Grandpa hate me? You sure duration segment isn't a large number? Yeah. Look, right here. Duration segment is 1,000 milliseconds. Duration sum is 8,000. Duration is 5,000, right? So it's technically delaying 1 second. Oh, wait a second. If I actually add all these up. Okay, yeah, that they add up. They add up. Right? So what I'm saying is I want it to pause. As it's moving across the screen, I want it to pause. I want it to not talk. Right? So this animation is going. This animation is going. It's basically instant. Pause. Talk. For the duration.
According to all known laws of aviation, there is no way a bee should be able to fly.
Dude, what is with this one? What? Okay. It can't be because it's it's executed sequentially. It's executed sequentially. He mocks me. He mocks me. Interesting. Hold on. Obs raw JSON. Oh, that's the JSON response. Sound length. Wait a second. Sound length. Milliseconds. I don't have that. Oh. Huh. Okay. What if it can have a decimal? Oh, you're probably right. You're probably right. It can't have a decimal. That's probably it. All right, MX parser. No decimals. You're probably right. Charlie W5, you're probably absolutely right. Okay. There's floor here. Operator. Okay, floor. Oh my god. Unary function. Floor. Let's floor it. Actually, ceiling is probably what we want, actually. Seal. Oh, you know what? No. Let's try that.
According to all known
Yes!
aviation, there is no way a bee should be able to fly.
You were absolutely right. It can't be a decimal. +2. Actually, Charlie, don't make me regret this. You get a sub. But thank you. You get a sub for that. Holy. Long Grandpa. We have created Long Grandpa. Okay. We can make him even longer because I want him to go slowly across the screen.
Congrats.
Oh no! Okay, let's see if we can go even slower.
According to all known laws of aviation, there is no way a bee should be able to fly.
You know what? I just thought of something. Why do I have to set it based on how long the TTS message is? Like, this should just be a default value of something, like 2 seconds. wait, I didn't have to do the math. It just should be 2 seconds every time. It will scale to every length of message, right? Because like, if the message is just like, ow, he's on screen for 4 seconds.
Ow!
Right? Like, I could do some algebra to say, like, I want him to be on screen for at least 10 seconds, but, like, that's perfectly fine. And if it's a way longer message, like the actual B-movie script here, that will also work. It's taking a while because it's a long script.
According to all known laws of aviation, there is no way a bee should be able to fly. Its wings are too small to get its fat little body off the ground. The bee, of course, flies anyway because bees don't care what humans think is impossible. Yellow, black, yellow, black, yellow, black, yellow, black. Ooh, black and yellow. Let's shake it up a little. Barry, breakfast is ready.
Makes Grandpa progress bar from the message. Oh, that's good. Okay, well now we have to do part 2, which is letting you guys use Long Grandpa. And I'm trying to think about how you can do that. because this is like a modifier on the grandpa. So it's like I think if you're okay, so there are two ways to go about this. Can I check live stream chat? Okay. Wait. Wait, I have an idea. I have an idea for Long Grandpa. I mean, speaking of Simpsons bits, I could get fancy with it and redo the bit where Abe Simpson walks into the strip club and sees Bart there and like does like 4 turnarounds before actually leaving. Don't make me. Oh, do it. I hate speaking the best ideas into existence. I hate speaking the best ideas into existence, dude. He walks in, puts his hat on the hat rack, walks around 4 times, then puts the hat back on and leaves. Damn it! It's a good idea. It's going to drive me insane to do it, but it's a good idea. It would require Grandpa taking the hat animation. That's not too bad, but it would drive me insane. Amariel, thank you for the raid. We are creating new TTS characters, and I just created one called Long Grandpa, where he moves slowly across the screen while talking about his stuff. Hold on, it's taking...
According to all known laws of aviation, there is no way a bee should be able to fly. Its wings are too small to get its fat little body off the ground. The bee, of course, flies anyway because bees don't care what humans think is impossible. Yellow, black, yellow, black, yellow, black, yellow, black. Ooh, black and yellow. Let's shake it up a little. Barry, breakfast is ready.
I just thought of an insane thing to add to this grandpa. Also, by the way, I'm going to show off what DieBZ made in a minute. Because it's, that's another fun long grandpa situation. Fun grandpa, long grandpa illustration. Oh no, they don't have one? Really? Okay. I'm gonna get... I am procuring some assets. This is procurement. Alright, I have some funny assets to share with you. If I do one more TTS, does he zip across the screen? He moves faster, but I made sure he just doesn't zip across the screen. Okay. Wait a second. Like, what if it looked like this? Give it a moment.
According to all known laws of aviation, there is no way a bee should be able to fly. Its wings are too small to get its fat little body off the ground. The bee, of course, flies anyway because bees don't care what humans think is impossible. Yellow, black, yellow, black, yellow, black, yellow, black. Ooh, black and yellow.
Is that too
Let's
much?
shake it up a
Is that a little?
Berry,
Yeah, that might be a little
breakfast
too
is ready.
much. I wouldn't say that's so awesome. I wouldn't say that. Please don't. Oh, no. This is what Diabetes drew for Long Grandpa. Wait a second. What if he like showed up and then as he's talking, he just grows longer and longer and longer until like he leaves, like no, he just shows up. He's long, man. Oh, but I need him talking. That's the thing. I need his face on it. Okay, this might be a future stream, but this is. Can I just leave him right there? Can I just leave him right there? Can I leave this guy? Holy, he's long. This has, you know what this could be? This could be a multi-part emote. You said Long Grandpa, what kind of interpretation I have? Fair interpretation, I think. Wait a second here. Check this out. Sandworm Grandpa. Okay, I have ads now. I'll be right back. When we get back, we'll do something a little different. I have made this whole system way too complicated now. Okay, we gotta lock in because I want to do a little bit of gaming. I want to do a tiny bit of gaming, and I'll give you guys your voices back. I realize I turned off TTS for most of the stream, but it was important for science. Axo's broken? Yeah, I think Axo's thing was not set properly. Neither was the wizard. Okay, so here's what I'm deciding. I think Long Grandpa is going to be his own independent character. Is the walker too much? I think the walker is stretching it, but it's kind of funny. It is really funny. So the thing is I want to do like multiple animations per person, but I don't know if you know what I mean? Like if I have Long Grandpa, and then I have normal Grandpa, and let's say I have like running Grandpa, like if each character can have like their own unique animations. Oh god, like are there modifiers now? Okay, I'm trying to think about how to do this, because are each of these new types of animations their own characters? Like, is Long Grandpa going to be different from normal Grandpa? Or is Long going to be a modifier where, like, they just walk slowly across the screen? I think they should be their own characters, in my opinion, because then you can custom make... Long Grandpa should be a rare modifier. We can have multiple types of nerds. Yeah, I think it gets weird where if like every TTS person has their own custom thing. This is like alting. This is like the grandpa alt, right? The grandpa alt is he walks slowly across the screen. And the nerd alt could be something different. Long Grandpa and Worm Grandpa are two versions of the same guy. Are they regular Grandpa? Oh, my head hurts. My head hurts. Okay, this is what I'm deciding, okay? This is what I'm deciding. For the next 2 weeks, or okay, maybe the next week, I'm gonna make Long Grandpa his own character. So there's gonna be multiple grandpas in the what the fuck am I doing with my life? What am I doing? There are going to be multiple grandpas that you can select. I want to have the TTS system like kind of be stable. You know what I mean? Like I don't want to add like another layer to the TTS system every single week. Like I want it to be stable for at least a little bit. And then over a weekend, we can like get together and decide how to add modifiers. But modifiers is going to be a bigger project. I think it should be its own thing. Okay. So I'm going, but that being said, I'm going to add another new long animation guy. Okay. So I'm going to wrap up Long Grandpa, make him available to use. Then I'm going to add a new thing, and then hopefully we have a little bit of time for gaming. I do have to sleep a little earlier today, and we are running up against the clock here. So, okay, let's set Long Grandpa up.
Do it. Add modifiers. Succumb to the scope creep.
Oh my god, you're an actual demon. What was that? Okay. Let's make Long Grandpa. Okay. TTS you're about oh fuck. Okay. So I'm gonna call this I'm just gonna make this very custom. I'm just gonna call this Long Grandpa. Custom Long Grandpa. Okay. I think this is all correct. It sets the TTS file. Okay, so what I want to do is I want it to mimic this, which is speakerbot speak message. Okay. Speakerbot speak message. Test. All this is correct. I want delay for 300 at the end here too. Or maybe like 100. It's a long segment. Okay. Actually, this should be just instant reset. Move on. Okay. There we go. Let me just make this 10 and make this here 300. Okay, so Long Grandpa is his own thing. And so I want my TTS manager. Let's open up the code. We're gonna add Long Grandpa. Long Grandpa, one word. If Message length equals 2. TTS character is 2. Okay. If character list dot contains TTS character equals false, TTS character equals grandpa. If TTS character... Oh god, I should really get familiar with this code again because I'm not... None of this seems familiar. If it equals long grandpa, then return true. So exit out of everything. Oh fuck, do I want to do that? No, I want to put... Okay, this has to go down here. Oh god. Gross custom animation logic for long grandpa. Okay, if TTS character is equal to long grandpa... Oh man, I fell off coding so hard. Then... we're doing these things. CPH set argument mirror input. Okay. Oh. Okay, I want these things here. Dude, I'm making the Fortnite of TTS systems. Run action. No, I want this run action to be custom dash long grandpa. Was that how I say it? Custom dash long grandpa. Did I not save? Oh, no, we're here, okay. Custom dash slash long grandpa. Okay, TTS store input should be grandpa. This is grandpa. Long grandpa. Okay, that compiles. Can someone type... Okay, can someone do a test message with long grandpa as the character? One word. Oh god. My channel point redeem is running out of text space to tell you all the TTS voice names.
These newfangled moving sidewalks are cool, but how do I stop? I've been going around for 15 minutes. Help, Grandpa!
It works! You could have it be just type TTSCL voice names. Yeah, that's a good idea.
These newfangled moving sidewalks are cool, but how do I stop? I've been going around for 15 minutes. Help, Grandpa!
Oh, there we go. Ah, I see. I'm
Ba-dum-bump-da-ba-da-ba-dum-da-da-da.
Wait, one more time?
Shin birthed a ton of children, so it only makes sense to have multiple grandpas. The shindig's lore thickens.
My god.
Ba-dum-bump-da-ba-da-ba-dum-da-da-da.
Doesn't change the user? Oh! Okay, okay, hold on. TTS general. Yeah, because I think I changed it here. Okay, there we go. Let's try that again.
Thick grandpa when
D3BZ TS Long Grandpa.
What the fuck? What the? Wait, what? I think there's a glitch.
Archibald, why?
Oh, okay, there's not a glitch. Maybe there's a glitch. I don't know. Do I have to add a walker? Is that a little too much? I could. I could. Would that be a little crazy?
Help me, please, Sassy.
Oh, no.
Help me, please.
Make the walker a gamba.
Had a nice sandwich yesterday evening.
Oh, you spelled grandpa wrong.
Why are you making me walk without my walker? My shins wear.
It'll flip for the rakes. It'll flip for the rakes.
I can't stop moving, help. Am sliding down the hill very slowly.
The thing with these modifiers is they don't have the exit
I keep
animations.
riding the people movers to the wrong airport terminals. I'm so lost.
Okay, okay. I do have a new idea though. All right, hear me out, hear me out. I do have a new idea. What is the channel points back on? Oh, I've turned them back on. Okay. New idea is we take the same tech to pass in the different number of seconds, the different milliseconds into the move parameter and use it to zoom in to the screen. So it will like zoom in the entire time they're talking and then zoom back out, which I think can work. Hold on, let's see this. V switcher code. Oh, I do have a camera. Okay, so let's try zooming. Pan. Pan. And let me see what happens when I activate a TTS guy.
Gotta wash my beard, Burb.
Sorry, I'm looking for the chat.
We're gonna be able to see every liver spot on Grandpa's face.
Oh, it doesn't go that... This is as far as it can zoom. Okay. So I'm going to add a... hold on. I need to add a switcher here. V switcher... Oh, that's it. Get values. Okay. So I'm gonna call this coding vSwitcher TTS zoom. Okay. How do I do this? Let's say I want it to randomly happen. Action is gold. No, if is gold equals 1. How do I calculate is gold again? Oh, yeah, from the random chance. No, but I wanted to zoom. Oh my god. I wanted to zoom for everybody. Okay, so. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna try to fix this one more time. I'm gonna go silent. Okay. Execute delete TTS file. Oh, okay. Delete TTS. Sound. Go here. Play sound. Yeah, speech file. I want that. Okay, I think this is the play. Speech file. Finish before continuing. Yes. I beat pandas. Or I beat pandas. Hello.
I forgot to copy the raid message.
Yeah, we are designing a new TTS system, which there's a lot to the mechanics, so I'm not going to pause to explain it now, but I will explain it after I'm done doing everything that I'm doing right now.
Wait long. Grandpa for the heaven death is gonna be funny.
Okay, so I am... Okay, so this works.
Oh, Archibald. I've always been a big fan of his OBS stuff, so I'm excited to see what he cooks. Daime clap. Oh! Oh! Oh!
A revolutionary TTS system. Well, there are no guillotines haven't come out yet. Okay, so with this happens... Okay, so we're gonna paste obs raw here. I realized I did not turn on TTS for most of the stream, so that's my bad. But we're fucking cooking here. Okay, this is just chatting, coding, filters. We're gonna call the filter is called coding vSwitcher cam. Wait, vSwitcher TTS zoom, and then duration. I'm just gonna set to duration. Okay. I'm gonna say set vSwitcher. Man, I'm cluttering up all my events, man. This used to be such a clean system, I swear. It was so clean. I gotta repent. I gotta watch so many more Jonathan Blow reactionary takes. I gotta do it. It's the only way to architecture this TTS system in a clean and performant way. I'm sorry. I gotta get some of that dark energy. Set scene filter state. I don't want that. Okay, scene filter state. Holy fuck. Just chatting, coding. Okay. Filter is zoom TTS zoom. Okay, there we go. Visible. Where's that? There we go. And then here we set return. Okay. Your brain gave up a good half hour ago. You have to keep up. You have to keep up. You have to keep up for the content. Okay, I can't do long grandpa. I need a normal TTS.
He just wanted to step on some rakes.
Oh, that's so cool! Except it doesn't. Why did he go back out? Why didn't he go back out? Wait a second. Why didn't he go back out? Return. Yeah, coding vSwitcher return. Okay. Do I need another delay? Okay, there is a bit of a problem though, which is it zooms in a weird way. Like it kind of curves in, which I don't know why it does that. Oh, I think I might know why. Zoom me. No, zoom TTS. Did I set the curve here somewhere for some reason? Custom duration cubic. Ease in, ease out. No, let's try no easing. Intervals, auto switch timer. No. Fisheye. Grayscale. No, I don't think there's a curve thing going on here. Filter. Yeah. Okay, let's try it again. Oh, you can't see shit. You can't see anything. Okay.
He just wanted to step on some rakes. Ow. Ow. Ow.
I think I should add some time. So say 100. Yeah, I should wait to zoom out. I'm trying to fix that up right now.
It should wait to zoom out for after the exit animation. It should wait to zoom out for after the exit animation.
Wait a second, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. Holy, that's pretty good.
It should wait to zoom out for after the exit animation.
That is fucking good.
It should wait to zoom out for after the exit animation. Oh. 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 Is it always going to zoom in? It's a bit much.
Is it? Okay, so I just don't like the way it's zooming in, to be honest. Like, what kind of zoom in is that? It's like curving in. I don't want it to curve in. I want... Oh, wait, is there another way to do this? Which is like 3D effect. And then... Oh, wait, this might be a little... This might be... Hold on. This might be better. Here... X position 45? Oh, okay, hold on. We're cooking. 450. I need to summon my guys. Okay. 3D, I think I have to use the 3D effect. Y position, let's say 450. Nope, negative 450. Okay, negative 400. Negative 200, negative 100, 250, 300, 200. $450. Okay. Should it zoom in all the way? Oops. Should it zoom in that close? Full, yeah, that's as full of a face we're gonna get. Okay, 3D zoom, 3D effect, get values. Duplicate, 3D effect. All right, this is like 0 or 1. Oh, nope, field of view is 0, 0, 0. What's the normal field of view? Was it 90? Is it 90? Okay. I guess it's 90? No? Is it 100? I can do 3D effect. What is the default value? It is 90. Okay. 90. There we go. Okay. If I get values. Okay, so let's say TTS zoom in. TTS zoom out. Let me just test this. Maybe no easing. Actually, maybe with easing, like ease in. Maybe ease in and out. No easing or ease in and out or ease out. Yeah, maybe no easing. You like easing? I'm gonna ease in and out then. Okay, so now we need to change some of these parameters. Fuck. TTS zoom in. This is called TTS zoom in. Okay. TTS zoom in, and then TTS zoom out. Okay. I think we're good. Let's test it with some guy.
Achoo.
Look into my eyes, chat. In them you will see the vastness of my soul. Gaze too deep, and you shall fall within. Domain expansion. Ow. Ow. Ow.
I don't think there should be easing though. I actually don't think there should be easing. I'm gonna turn off the easing. Just straight linear zoom.
To be or not to be, that is the question, whether 'tis nobler in the mind to suffer the slings and arrows of outrageous fortune, or to take arms against a sea of troubles, and by opposing end them, to die, to sleep no more, and by asleep to say we end the heartache and the 1,000 natural shocks that flesh is heir to. Oh.
It's the rake every time.
Oh.
Well, I want to see what happens with the short one.
He can't. Absolute cinema.
Okay, that's good.
Okay. I am going to randomize this a bit. I mean, it's going to be a lot right now, but is there a way to do a random number in StreamerBot? Random number in StreamerBot that isn't like oh, okay, there it is. Get random number. There we go. Between, let's say, 1 and 5. Okay. Where did that end up? Where did I put that? There we go. Okay. If statement, if I'm not going to keep it like this often, but if oh, you can only do one. Hold on. Red analogical arguments. When a random type is between a number 2 values, you'll be set the argument at random. When random type is next float, a decimal will be picked, and this will be added random percent. Oh. Oh, okay. Okay. I see what it's saying. So random. So this is percentage random number. So if random number equals 1, we're gonna put it here. Oh, fuck.
Actually, there's no such thing as random numbers in computations. Computers are deterministic machines that generate pseudo-random numbers.
Might want to do a switch. Okay. Switch. I want to do this. Input. Random number. What's a switch look like? Okay. Can I add a case? Okay. I'm actually gonna keep it the if because like I'm gonna change this 100% later. So I'm gonna say if. Okay, so the raw switcher is always gonna work. Speak to file. So if this happens, zoom in. Oh, that's it. I just need to do that. If random number is our trigger, zoom in. But if not, it's just gonna play normally and it's gonna trigger the zoom out thing anyway, and that won't matter in this situation. Okay. We did it, I think.
You can right-click to add cases on the switch. Ow. Ow.
Make it between 1 and 3.
Ow!
I can right-click to add cases. I got it. Okay. Well, productive day. Hey, we got some, we got long grandpa. We got zoom-ins. We learned a lot about OBS raw. I didn't get to do my swarm experiment. Well, maybe I do. You know what? I can do my swarm experiment, actually. And I can keep the TTS on for that. Are the channel points back on? Oh, shit. I'm so sorry. Okay. Channel points are back on. I want to try my swarm experiment. So I think I can remake my TTS swarm concept in StreamerBot. Actually, I might need to disable the TTS for this too. Does this TTS do audio tags or commands? Not yet. I mean, it can. I just have to choose the right... I just have to choose the right model for it to do a, to do funny laughs, or sorry, funny emotions. Need to update with Long Grandpa? Oh, I'm right on the button. Okay. Okay. No new characters for a week. I mean, let's get on Discord and like talk about who the new characters are gonna be, but I gotta keep this thing stable for like a week. Yes, Swarm, okay? So, you may have seen my video where I created a TTS system where it read every single message to Twitch chat, and the key part is I wanted all those messages to overlap. All right, I wanted all those messages to overlap. Now, I want to overlap. I think I can recreate that in StreamerBot because my last system was super jank and it wasn't working perfectly all the time. I think it's gonna work really cleanly in StreamerBot. No, it's not gonna be with the bush. But if I just use the pattern of like speak action, create the file, like speak. Oh, voice alias. Oh, fuck. I have to randomize the voice alias. Okay, what if we just did like 1,000,000 grandpas? Let's just do 1,000,000 grandpas. Actually, let's do 1,000,000 Watsons, because that's way cheap. We'll do 1,000,000 Watsons, that's way cheaper. Okay, silent delay. Same message. Actually, test. Okay, so that's test. And it's speak file. Okay. Oops. Nope. No. Play sound. Where's play sound? Wow. Okay, play sound. Welcome to the stream. We're trying to build a new swarm system. Swarm TTS system. Okay, speech file percentage. And then I do need to add a way to delete that file at the end of it because it's going to be a lot. It is going to be a lot. Dude, I can't remember my own stuff. Okay. Copy. Paste. Folder.
It was gonna be a swarm. Am I early?
Oh no, speech file. So many swarm. Watch my stream. It's good to have you here. Is the subathon over? I watched a bit of the Pokemon. That's the Pokemon playthrough.
Oh my god. I did it. I actually did it. After 1155 long grueling episodes, I finally found the One Piece. Nothing can stop me now.
Test.
Oh wait, it can overlap. Wait, guys, try spamming the chat right now.
Should he celebrate? Spam. Whoa. Should he celebrate? Spammy. Spamming the chat right now. Spamming the chat right now. Like words or emotes. It's Tuesday in it. Let's get spamming. Awaha. Nuha. IDK what to say. What kind? I like eggs. Cultist all according to spam on toast. Spam. Spamming the chat right. Spam. Light work, no reaction.
Is that swarmy enough?
BRR. We like to type things. The spam can. Spammy spam. BRR. Spam. Spamming the chat right now. Should he celebrate? What is this? The shape of an L. Would be very funny if this worked well. Sandwich is tasty. Spam.
It can't. Wait, is it overlapping? I can't really tell.
Mushy
Oh, you know
peas are
what?
good.
Q. No Q.
I love eating. I can type
No
more
group,
if you like.
no group.
The spam can.
Oh shit. No.
Not spammy spam. The mono voice is kinda killing it though. This is a word. Roo.
Oh, you know
I
what?
prefer
This might not be working.
It's just slow enough to be understandable, so not fast enough.
Oh,
Type
no, that
eats.
overlapped.
Words. I'm so cool. Roo. H. BR. I learned you can get spam loaves in 4-pound cans. The spam can. Shindy accident wasn't you.
Yeah, it's not
The
that great
overlap ain't there.
actually.
Not really overlapping. Who? Or just barely at least. Watson is we. It's not super great overlap. Should we keep spamming? Test. It's pretty delayed, but there is like 2 seconds. The walls in the mall are totally tall. YTF, is there a dog? Longer messages work better for
Longer
the
messages
overlaps.
work better for the overlap.
Oh.
It's working, sorta, I guess. Okay, maybe we just need more quality and longer messages. At Mr. Leviathan +2. Should we spam again? Is that you? Just say the word. Label class equals block MB 1 text SM font medium text gray 700. Swas.
Okay, I don't think I can figure this out. I thought it would be pretty straightforward to like overlap all the TTS messages, but that's not working. Oh my god, look at all these. Yeah, I thought I could Wait, why did I just delete them? Wait a second. Why did I delete? How do I undelete? I just had an idea. How do I undelete? Okay, let's try it again. Swarm TTS test. Okay. No control Z. Yeah, okay. Speak. Silent. Alias. Let's do Watson again. Message. Okay, message. Okay. Copy. Delete TTS file here. Play.
How much wood could a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck was Chuck Norris?
Oh god. Speech file. Okay. Maybe let's delay a bit. Let's say delay like 10 milliseconds. So add this to the TTS queue. And add to chat. Oops. There we go. Okay, guys, try chatting now. Try spamming the chat now. It's gonna be Watson, so it's gonna be pretty chill, but
Trying to chat now. Spam. This is spam. WSWAPEEM spam. Speak and we shall speak and we shall speak and we shall 36 is Shelford's package.
Okay.
With the PLOS.
Okay. This is working.
For 2.5 years. Is this working? Speak. It's working. Speaking about speaking, and it's hard to speak because I've got to just ramble about talking. Isn't a test 123. Speaking and speaking for speaking for the subject of speaking. Hey, quantity and quality. Okay, maybe we cannot just plus to me like longer messages. Work, you lazy mod. The voices. Love. Doug. Hello. Yeah, this works. Spam. They are in the walls. I am spamming. Spamming is burning the voices in my head. I am nothing. Holy. What a terrible tongue twister. They are in the damn walls. What a terrible tongue twister. What a terrible tongue twister. What a terrible tongue twister. This is what a terrible unmedicated ADHD. Top-notch spam.
Hey,
At Siren Base. Jola. Triple A. According to us, the sound
What's the doggy start? Can't believe it.
I love car insurance. The lazy fox jumps over.
So spam
work? Him don't now.
Good plan LUL. Label class name.
Label class name.
John
Shin is vibrating. I can't hear myself.
Are you saying something?
Skin. It's hard to tell. Skin.
Okay, I take it back. It works. The proof of concept works. Okay, that's for a future stream where I'm gonna rebuild the Swarm TTS system. Where we'll have all of you guys are gonna be able to talk at once. Thank God it's down. Turn it down to at least half. It sounded fine on my end. It sounded totally fine on my end. Stream delay. The normal TTS works. I was inaudible. I wasn't talking. I was enjoying it. Oh, Hina, thank you for the raid. Thank you. We've been working on our... Oh God.
That was incredible. Now do it with Shonen. Please, I need this.
It actually doesn't work with the 11 lab voices.
Ooh, it's wingdings.
Oh no! We've been working on our TTS system, so hope you had a great stream. We've designed our TTS system where they're different characters and they're different exit animations every time they finish the TTS. So definitely very inspired by Gacha in some way, but it's more ethical. It's actually way more ethical. Yeah.
YTF is a dog in a chat earlier.
I just implemented like animation modifiers, but I'll like zoom into them.
Ow!
But I think the zoom has to be tuned a little bit more. And today we just added...
That's so epic, actually.
We added what you just saw on the screen, which we call him Long Grandpa. The idea is that like Grandpa moves slowly across the screen and just like rambles about something else. But we're already gonna rip the Simpsons bit from it.
Raiders, enjoy the stream.
Yes! Yes! We're still kind of tuning what animations make sense.
Cultists went through a pentagram to exit.
It's not a bit. Well, it is a bit of a bit, but I want it to last forever. Because I actually want to play games. So like while the games are happening, like chat can play with the TTS.
Don't stop me now, because I'm having a good time. Don't stop me now. Yes, I'm having a good time. I don't want to stop at all.
Okay, Grandpa. The Zoom one.
That's not funny. My grandpa died to piano fall. Well, it took me 60 years, but I finally found the solution to global warming, now to publish my findings on the internet for free.
Where's the gravity gun? Oh, I can't force animations yet.
Welcome, Raiders, Did you know 15 minutes could save you 15% or more on car insurance?
Grandpa, now's not the
Fucking
time.
love car insurance.
The harm that befalls us is what Shin wishes would happen when we backseat.
That one's epic. Yeah, so I have a pretty nice system in place.
Hear my voice. I need some of your spirit energy. Please lend me some for this spirit bomb. Ah!
Oh my god. The good part is that it's easy to add new characters and new animations.
If you wanted someone to talk to you, or Mac in Talk if you were on a Mac and wanted the fancy singing voices.
I could add singing.
Finally, my Yui will become real. Just a little more manifesting and...
I'm gonna disable the zoom.
Yeah.
I'm not really 100% happy with it.
Oh.
We need to steal every Simpsons bit.
Oh boy, I'm all ready for my hot date with your mum. I hope she likes tapioca pudding.
Yes! Gravity gun.
What beautiful weather. Surely nothing bad will happen while I pass out.
Oh yeah, and there's like a 5% chance they're golden.
Oh!
What are the chances? Yeah, what are the chances for double gold? I should know. I don't, but I don't have it in front of me. For those of you who've been following what's been going on the stream,
Did you see the new Simpsons post-electric musical stage play concept?
Grandpa, you're talking crazy again. No, I haven't.
Who needs to play games when you can be scared of how you leave stream? You can go from getting blasted to walking into rakes to leaving back through leaves, walking across stream to getting a piano dropped on you.
Goodbye. Wait. I think I've seen...
I am back from the future with the winning lottery numbers. They are...
I think I saw something. It was with, I can't believe I'm forgetting the director's name, but he talked about like some Simpsons musical.
Just a little guy.
Yeah, we have
He
two
would
Simpsons
analyze a
bits
little guy
rolling
like me,
all over
would
these
you?
TTSs. One of them is they back slowly into a bush. The other one is, I think you've seen it, which is they step on the rake, like Sideshow Bob. And the new one we want to do...
Death, I will die by a piano.
The new one we want to do is the Grandpa Simpson like walking to the strip club and like putting his hat and like circling 4 times
You
before
go in every
leaving.
day and do it really half-assed. That's the American way.
There it is! It's the bush! That's it! It's the bush! Chat was like, please make that last for 15 seconds.
By the power of the gods, I summon piano.
It's not the piano. It's not the piano.
Grandpa, anyone excited for the Mega Man Star Force collecting coming in March? Ow. Ow. Ow.
Bye, Grandpa.
I finally found which one was born first, between chicken or egg. It is.
I like what it does for the queue.
I cast testicular torsion.
I need a little bit of gaming. Thank you for the raid. I gotta game a little bit. I need my sanity back.
Everybody expects the truck or the piano, but not today. They will not claim me. Mark my words.
Yes! We need more versions that injure them.
You think you've bested me? Ha! I'm just getting started. Witness my power. Roar!
I think my video driver just crashed.
I summon the power of the almighty bush! Grant me thy divine power!
You're going to want to change the category and title so users can most effectively find you through the directory.
Wait, hold on. My VTube Studio stopped working.
I hope I don't get isekai'd. Wait, does that mean that it will...
Wait, chat, I literally
No truck,
can't...
no, I don't want to be isekai'd, no, so...
Chat, like, I... Is this stream still on? Wait, nothing is working. I'm frozen. I just see the peepos doing the TTS. I might be cooked. I can't read the chat. The chat on the screen is not
If you
updating.
want more violence, I suggest one where an alligator pops out from the bottom of the screen and eats Peepo with a cartoon munch sound. Also, we have Powerwash.
No, I agree. I agree. Wait, oh wait, I'm talking again.
Those who don't follow the rules are scum, but those who abandon their friends are even worse than scum.
Wait, I'm back. I'm back.
Why are so many people lifting up pianos?
I'm gonna close Powerwash.
I was hungry, I ate your video drivers. Yum, yum.
Alright, I just gotta restart streamer
We can
bot
all see
chat.
you and hear you. Everything is working properly on our end.
Yeah, that
Must
was
be a you
weird.
problem.
I guess my avatar isn't working though. Like my VTuber is just like mouth shut. But what the hell? Wait. Okay, no, VTube Studio just broke. It's just broken. Yeah, it is weird. It's like my video driver crashed for no reason at all. I'm gonna like close some programs. I'm gonna restart some stuff. I'm gonna go to like a 5-minute ad break because their ads in like 2.5 minutes. But I'll turn the TTS on for free talk. So if you're here from the raid,
I cast spell of paralysis.
do ! TTS voices to see what voices you can use, and then use like a what do you call it? Like a straight line to delineate which character you want. But it's gonna be for free while I debug all this stuff. I have a way to like switch TTS to be like channel points, bits, or like have it free for stuff like this. So I'll be right back.
Streamer, where are my pills?
Hello? I'm trying to turn the music off. I want to get some gaming. I want to get some gaming in. Am I muted? Am I muted? I shouldn't be. Should be good. Gucci. Hold on. My Twitch docs are still kind of messed. That was a weird glitch, actually. Refresh. Activity feed. Yeah, my Twitch activity feed is just broken. Okay, well, so it goes. Whenever someone does TTS list on free chat, it treats your response to TTS. Yeah, I don't know why that happens. I gotta figure that out. I was thinking maybe I gotta put Long Grandpa. I gotta put Long Grandpa to the side a bit because I have some other ideas with the normal TTS stuff we have. I think we can update the standard TTS a little bit better by adding in the Azure voices you guys want. Add in the Azure voices, more female voices, and especially more death animations.
Youngins with your fancy hot dog grilling machines. Back in the day, we didn't even have fire. We had to cook them by rolling them between our hands really fast. Hey, nice gloves.
I know why.
Hello? Hello? Okay, I think the problem was anytime I run Powerwash 2, something with my virtual memory fucks up and crashes everything. Which is weird because I thought I had fixed that situation. You broke it? Yeah. I gotta go soon anyway, so I'm sorry, we gotta end it on that probably. Or like, I don't think I can game today. Cause I don't know if any computer heads are in the chat, but my like virtual memory file was like 50 gigs or something crazy. And I'm like, that's not right. And so I turned it down to like 4 to 8 because I have like I have 64 gigs of RAM. I'm like, I don't need any more memory. I am on Windows 10, yeah. And after that, things were kind of fine. But now I'm like hitting memory issues again, which like makes no sense because I have like a gajillion gigabytes of memory. You're not a knower? I gotta figure out someone who knows. Yeah, I have no idea what the situation is.
Great, the stream failed due to the fancy hot dog machines.
Yeah, it is time for Linux.
Bro, it's time for Linux. Ow! Ow! Ow.
Well, let me talk about some updates I want to make with the system.
What is your favorite hot dog flavor? Mine is ketchup. I love ketchup. It makes the hot dog taste like hot dogs back in the day. Oh, if only these newfangled hot dog machines or whatnot made hot dogs with ketchup.
You can put ketchup on the hot dog. Okay, bye. Okay, bye. I did get my RAM power wash. Maybe I need like DDR5? I don't know. I mean, my RAM isn't like... I have a lot, but it's not fast. It's not fast. Anyway, so the updates I think I want to make with the system, I might put the modifier animations on pause for a bit, unless I get inspired with a new idea that I really want to do. But there are a couple directions that I've been thinking about that could really elevate the TTS system. So the first one, you know, obviously is we want to add more animations, more characters. I think we'll keep doing that. I want to have it kind of like rest a little bit because it's a cool system and we should like play for it. We should play with it, you know, instead of just adding to it every single time. However, there's something I can build on top of it. There is something I can build on top of it that like can help enhance using the TTS. So the idea I have is like I make a database of every chat message. The yearning message bag for an intro animation. Oh my god. My idea is like I'm gonna make a database to track every time someone uses TTS, and then so I can track all the stats of like who's the most used, who's the most popular character, what's the most popular animation to like what animation exit like occurs the most often. And then we can get even deeper if I like make this database correctly, which is who is you know, the artist per character, per costume, like who gets used the most in terms of that. And then overall, I had this other idea. I don't know how I would flesh this out further, but each character has like a level, and you would level each character each time you use them. It's like each time you used each character, they become like stronger or something. I don't know. They become more powerful in some way. I don't know what to do with that other than the number will go up. But maybe at the end of the week, we see like who you guys feel is like the most popular character at the time.
Time to grind Shonen to level 100, then fight God!
Yeah, that might be fun. It's like, which one can you get to level 100 the quickest?
Back in my day, the TTS played Microsoft Sam.
Oh, God.
You were happy you got Sam. You were grateful you got Sam. That's all there was. There wasn't any of these newfangled long grandpas and anime guys.
Really good message.
Why must the stream die on us? We need to call AppleCare. Wait, this is a Windows machine. What are we calling AppleCare?
Farewell. Yeah, maybe I want to spend more time with just like more exit animations because they're all really funny. And I want every exit animation to be as good as the getting hit by the truck because that was so good. Getting hit by the truck is so good. Happened to the model? Yeah, VTube Studio died and I just don't want to start it back up. To be honest. Look, this is streaming, man. This is... I am talking directly to you. No VTuber. The VTuber's in your mind. This is what it's all about. This is what it's all about. You know what I haven't used lately? Look, I could do this. I've never used this yet. Look, I can highlight your message at the bottom there.
This is a B-tuber stream, right? What am I supposed to look at? The chat?
Farewell. Asahi Kirin, thank you for the raid. I don't have a VTuber model because everything crashed and I had to restart my stream. Yeah, but we've been making more TTS stuff.
Here comes the horn corner. Asahik one yay, Asahik one fish. Asahik one yay, horn corner. Asahik one yay, Asahik one fish. Asahik one yay.
This might hit the timeout.
Asahik one yay, Asahik one fish. Asahik one yay, horn corner. Asahik one yay, Asahik one fish. Asahik one yay, horn corner. Asahik one yay, Asahik one fish. Asahik one yay, horn corner. Asahik one yay, Asahik one fish. Asahik yay, horn corner. Asahik one yay, Asahik fish.
Is there a built-in TTS for Sammy?
Corner. Asahik one yay, Asahik.
Excuse me.
Asahik one yay.
No, there's an extension, but I'm using StreamerBot, actually. I'm using SpeakerBot and StreamerBot, which I'm finding to actually be a lot better for what I want to do. Because there's just more control that I can have over what it's doing with, like, generating the TTS file and playing it. It said yay 5 different ways. That's the beauty of TTS. Am I able to filter out emotes TTS like the old Sam extension? Yeah, I think there is a way to do that. I think I could... I like the emotes being in there. I think it's silly. But speaking options here. I guess ignore Twitch emotes. Let's try that. Oh, that sounds painful. Huh, can I not save this? Ignore BTTV, FFZ. Let's just ignore everything. Let's see if that works.
Lul.
No, huh. I think because I'm passing the message to SpeakerBot, that might be an issue. Yeah, I don't know exactly, because SpeakerBot's a separate app that also handles its own, like, rendering of voices depending on what happens on screen.
Test to see if it works, or I'm too powerful.
Farewell. I don't mind it reading the emotes. For now. Yeah, I'm not exactly sure. Because this, yeah, the SpeakerBot has like built-in ways to like trigger TTS with commands, which I don't use. I do it all in SpeakerBot. Try this. I turned it all back on. Let me try to disable it again. Okay, emotes. See, I don't know if this is saving. Okay, I just turned it all off.
Cat jam, cat dance, wicked try to shindigs, yep, shindigs, let's go.
Yeah, I don't think it ignores it.
My teeth over in the sand.
I can definitely highlight it. No, the emotes don't highlight. I thought they do highlight. The badges highlight. It's the only thing there. No, yeah, we just tested it, so it didn't work. It didn't work. In any case, yeah, when I did Long Grandpa, what I didn't anticipate is like I knew I had to branch out the TTS system to like a bespoke way to render the TTS and the animation. So right now, as you can tell, kind of every character model goes through the same system, so it's easy to add a character. It's like I just plug them into the animation system and it works. But if I make Long Grandpa, that's going to be a different modifier that happens. And the other thing with the modifiers is I could add the modifier to anything you guys say. They always have to end up at the same spot when they stop talking. Because just the way that all the animations work is they assume that everyone's standing in the same spot. If that makes sense. I guess I could change that. Been so productive. Had so much trouble on your end today. What were you working on? Yeah, the piano assumes everyone is like standing in the same spot. I think it's more fun to create the leveling system though, just because I think we have a lot more opportunity to mess around with the animations right now. But the leveling system is something that I can work on in the background a little bit while you guys play with what I have at the moment. Stand on the X, there isn't a sinister reason. So true. This is my dream TTS system, though. This is like the beginning of what I've always wanted to create in a TTS system. There's more to come. What is this? V-Twink. Oh, usable live TV item. Oh, that you can like rotate alerts. Oh, that's cool. Is it an app? Oh, I thought it was an it's a VTube Studio app. Oh, that's neat. VTube tester. Everyone's taking all the good names. I would never stand in the same spot as everyone else. It goes against my Pauli exclusion principle. You have your own exclusion principle? Yeah, we're doing a bit of chatception. We're doing a little end of the stream with a chill chat because unfortunately gaming is off the menu, which is sad. I don't want to have to increase my page file to like 30 gigs again, but that might need to happen if I want to game. I want to game. Okay, I gotta sign off, guys. It's been really fun, really productive day. We got one long grandpa out of it. Yeah, we got one long grandpa out of it. More grandpas to come. Next stream on Wednesday, I'm thinking. I owe you guys like a review of 2025, which I want to do. So probably on Wednesday, if I get around to it. You increase your page file at 80 gigs because of Star Wars mods. You know, it's good to know that I am not like the only one with an insane page file situation. All right, let's find someone to raid.
Bye-bye, shindigs. Ow! Ow! Ow!
I'm sorry. Okay, let's raid out. Let's raid out. Really good stream today. Many long grandpas had. Let's raid someone we normally ain't going to.
Long Grandpa, thank you for streaming.
Still got one left, apparently.
That's so good.
Thank goodness I survived the whole stream without dying.
Oh, let's...
Alrighty, my head out.
I'm gonna send you guys over to... We haven't ready to meet in a while. Let's ready to meet.
My name is Long Grandpa, and I'm here to say I'm gonna keep walking this way.
+2, +2. We're gonna raid meet. Thank you guys. I'm gonna take a break from streaming tomorrow, but back on Wednesday. Let's talk more in Discord about how on new ideas for the TTS system. And praise Long Grandpa. Thank you, thank you, thank you. See you all soon. Good stream, fucking great stream actually. Aside from the non-gaming, sick stream. Farewell. Sleep well. Stay long. Oh, speaking of stay long, I need like an American Psycho type character. I need like a stockbroker character. Okay, I'm gonna speak that